I want to explain the difference between a DVR and an NVR. I'm sure you've seen somewhere someone telling you buy a DVR, someone else says buy an NVR. So actually, in the terminology, in the naming, a DVR is a digital video recorder. An NVR is a network video recorder. And why are they different? A DVR will take analog cameras, and NVR will take network cameras, IP cameras. So that is one difference. A DVR has a limitation that it cannot do so many cameras at the same time because it's doing more work. And how is it doing more work? In the DVR, okay, let me start from the analogs. In an analog system, the camera only does one job: capturing. Capturing the video, capturing audio, or outputting for the cameras that have speaker or the lights. Okay? Then after capturing, everything else is done by the DVR. The DVR will do encoding, that is converting the video signal to the network signal or to data. Then at the same time, it will do compression so that it saves on storage. Then it will also do what? Recording. So the DVR is doing already from the video that it receives, it does up to recording. Then on the output side, it will do decoding, decompression, and it will do decompression, then it will decode to the display that you have set. The DVR would have this interface of HDMI or VGA to output. It will have the BNC points for input. It will have the network port. Of course, if you still get it on your phone on HIC Connect, then we'll have the USB for mouse and exporting the footage. Then we'll have the audio out options. Why I said the DVR is doing more work is that process. Compare now with an NVR. An NVR is doing simpler work because in an IP system, the camera actually does more work. It will capture, it will do encoding and compression, and then transmit the network data into the NVR. Then the NVR will only do recording and decoding. So you see, the work of the NVR is much less. Then for different models, we'll get different capacities in terms of storage, in terms of output. You can get a DVR that is not 4K. Lucky for us, our DVRs are actually outputting 4K display. Then we have outputting network signals. Then the DVR is also a hybrid recorder, which means through the network with a switch, I can add an IP camera to this. So you can also do that level of setting up. Then DVRs exist in 4 channels, 8 channels, 16 channels, 32 channels, the most I've seen. Then NVRs, they go after 32 channels, we can do 64, we can do 128, we can do 256, then we go to the bigger storage, which can even do 300, can do 500 cameras. So you'll realize the NVR or the IP system actually has more capacity, more capability to expand to even bigger setups. So based on the solution that you're looking at, will help you to choose between the DVR or the NVR, but at least you have a rough idea of what is the difference between a DVR and NVR. So on a quick highlight, for analog cameras, for IP or network cameras. Simple setup for your security, but both options will still give you good images, and we have some technologies like AccuSense, Turbo HD 8.0 in the DVRs. AccuSense can be available in both. We have AccuSync in the NVRs, face recognition, which can also be achieved in this, so many other options. So stay tuned as I'm going to test this and figure out some of the functions that these devices have.